Sheldon.
I don't want no medication. I feel tired of them that way, and then everything is good.
Yeah, but you have to take it. You have to take it and you have to eat something. Okay? Sheldon, me in the hospital and not even want to talk to me. You come out here, do the same thing. I'm trying to assist you.
I'm in the hospital. You never come look for me. You think about that?
Sheldon, I could come look for you like, oh, you did stay.
You mean you couldn't come look for me?
Sheldon, you know more than anybody else. My heart not strong them way there.
Penny, I'm feeling in the hospital and you don't come look for me and I tell my boss, so you stay.
Sheldon, that person gone. I dey here now, and I'm here for your help. So more if you just cope with me, more if you just listen and just try to drink the soup.
Help me. Penny, I'm here. I can't help myself and I try to sit down and this. Pretty man, you feel like that you sit down here, so I'm helpless, you know. And you have to do everything for me, and that more you know.
You know, so I never said nothing like that, Sheldon. Yeah? I'm here for help you. You can get up and go to the bathroom by yourself?
And that me not depend, you know. Because I don't want nobody feel like it's a pity party I go on, you know. I can help myself and I have other people who can help me too.
I beg you, please, Sheldon. Do not take out the frustration for me. I have enough for me already. And it's not me making in a wheelchair.
I know you make me in a wheelchair. You know, say you with a bag of love sitting here. Soft fuck man, I make man lose them focus and drop guard. And you are the cause of everything.
Seem like you are the cause of me breaking my spine. And the difference is, me there for you now. And you were not there for me.
See, now just low buckle at me then. Yo, matter of fact, you know, let me just go on with me and go to, you know, that big man thing. Yo, thing man get no man way. Oh, that no way, son of a dog. Yo,
Oh my God.
tired of this, you know, that. Thing, yo, dog. Pretty, large here now. Pretty. Blood, yo, dog, dog. Oh, me getting at this.
Sheldon, we not have to do this. You say your hands, babe. We not have to do this. Okay? Remember say me pregnant? I'm hormones all over the place. So me can't stress you and you can't stress me. But the only day I have to help you and nothing else. And if I come off any other way, I'm sorry.
Pretty. I truly don't know how it feels when I'm over. If I sit down that chair. Even know if we can go walk again, babes.
No, Sheldon, don't
Look
say
at me,
that.
babes. Look at me.
Sheldon, don't say that. You remember what happened to me? You remember? And look at me now. I can walk. I'm pregnant. Me have so much fun since I come back here. I go walk again and I go have fun. Your baby girl or your baby boy, I go wait on your baby. Okay?
I understand that, you know, Pretty, but right now I'm worried about that surgery, something, babes.
Don't worry, baby.